speaking here, and my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Rafael Hui. And today we will be talking about an Airbus A330-300 that flew to Xiamen, Beijing this morning. She flew to Beijing actually next time. She is registered as Hotel Lima Whiskey. As you can see, she took her flight number 63940 with a great circle distance of 1,987 kilometers, an actual flight duration time of 2 hours and 49 minutes, and a drop of 250 degrees as you can see it here. Excuse me. She departed at Hong Kong Chatlampok Airport at 12:57 a.m. at the southern... Wait, what runway did she take off? Is it the southern runway? Maybe the southern runway if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Correct. Probably the middle runway. Yeah, the southern runway actually, which is always 25 left. And then she landed at Beijing Capital International Airport. She landed at Beijing Capital exactly 3:46 in the morning, and she's actually special for being most recent HLWYR to be located before Bravo Hotel Lima Whiskey got repainted after the restrictions got lifted. So let's proceed to the next aircraft. Let's go to the next aircraft, which is Bravo Hotel Lima Tango, another Airbus A330-300. So this is the next aircraft over here. She's registered as Bravo Hotel Lima Tango, which is another A330-300. She took her flight number 63821 as you can see, with a great circle distance of 1,987 km, actual flight time 2 hours and 59 minutes, calibrated altitude of 1,950 feet, course with 156 kiloknots, and 349 degrees as you can see here. This aircraft is actually a former Cathay Dragon aircraft for the airline ceased operations in October 2020. This aircraft took off at Beijing Capital exactly 1:18 a.m. local time in Beijing. And as you can see, she landed on the southern runway at 4:17 in the morning local time in Hong Kong, and she's expected to go back to service as she is not leased plane. So for the details of Bravo Hotel Lima Tango and Whiskey, kindly check the previous videos about the said aircraft. So that is a wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below as well as the bell icon next to for more coming updates like this one. All by me, Roberto Monico Ignacio, and my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Rafael Hui. Bye guys, and see you in the next update.